Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about free graphic design resource. And recently, I found a website with a collection of all thousands of free SD 3D logo mockup that you might think of on internet. This website here has all the collection in one place. All you need to do is to visit the site and start to get your 3D PSD logo mockup without any stress. Let me show you the site. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your browser. And after you open up your browser, come to this particular website right here. So this site here is www.photop.com. And on getting to the site, you'll find out that this site here does not have something related to 3D logo mockup. Wait, let me show you. What you need to do right here is to simply come to the top right here. On the same side, go ahead and click on template. And then it's going to take you to this particular web page right here. Now you have different templates as far as mockup is concerned, such as signs. Then you can see different types of text. But what we are interested right here is logo mockup. Just come to the mockup from the top right here. So get into mockup, then you see them all right here. So these are paper logo mockup. This is 3D glass window logo mockup and green paper logo mockup. The more you scroll down, the more you see all available 3D logo mockup. All you have to do, if you are interested in any one of it, let's say for instance you are interested in this particular black wall 3D logo mockup, click on it and it's going to take you right here, and then it's going to tell you where you can actually get a mockup. So for that, go ahead and click on this link right here. Click on this link and it's going to redirect you to the download page, just like what you see right here. The more you scroll down, you can read the detail about the mockup. Go ahead and come down below right here and hit on download. So far, 20,000 plus people have already downloaded this particular mockup right here. You can download as much as possible free 3D PSD logo mockup from this particular source right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, free graphic resource like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.